I'm Scott with Sean's Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the Quick SoupBowl 26. I placed my order when the pre-orders came out for you can order it. I got it last week. This here is an amazing little modifier, and I'm going to go over it. Let's start out with the case. What's cool about this new little setup is the new case. It has a shoulder strap for location work. I love that. That's an added feature. Edward went beyond my expectations when I got this box. Besides that, it is not a drawstring case like all the others. One of the things that I had problems with the drawstrings is I would throw my stuff up into the car and I'd throw my stands in and to go quick, and then all of a sudden I go to pull the modifier out and it would be stuck on one of the stands because of the drawstrings would catch up on one of the little lock handles. Well, now I don't have to worry about that. That's the reason why I'm really loving this new little SoupBowl 26. I did a bunch of test shooting with it, and I really like the spread of this guy. This thing is just awesome. If you're a location or event shooter and you want something compact and portable, this is it. This is going to give you that nice, beautiful light, and it's just going to give you a nice wide spread. Let's open it up. As I said, it's a zipper case, so let's unzip it. And besides it being a zippered case, it is actually padded. Does this modifier need to be a padded case? No, but Edward went to the extreme to make the best quality stuff, the best value for your money. Again, I want to repeat that. The best value for your money. Other companies make something like this, but this is CheetahStand. That's the reason why I buy it. Pull it out of the case. Look inside there. Oh man, that looks just beautiful as it is. It's a quick setup. So I'm going to set it here on my little thing. I would set it up on the table, but I'd have to lean over because of the short rod in here. Where like the Max 20 has a longer rod, I can pretty much push it right through here like this. But with this one here, you can put it into your knee and just pop it open, super easy. It has a built-in dim sum dish, not built-in, but it's a removable dim sum dish, but Edward supplies these with the dim sum dish, which is super nice. When I go out on locations, I like shooting with the dim sum dish. But on this one here, I'm thinking I might just use the inner diffuser and not use the dim sum dish. And that's just because the Max 20 I used the dim sum dish on it. I think if I want a softer light, I'm going to go with the inner diffuser. Again, it comes with the inner diffuser, an outer diffuser, and the grid system on these. Edwards, all his modifiers come with a grid. If you buy from other companies, you usually have to buy that grid separate. It's an optional item, which I think if you're purchasing from a company, they should supply that grid due to the fact of the cost of their modifiers. That's my thoughts, but Edward supplies it. That's why I'm saying it's the best value for your money. Again, it's very light, compact, portable. You're a event shooter. This is the modifier you want to carry with you. Again, if you're a running gun shooter, this is the modifier you want to carry with you. It's going to produce nice soft light, and it's going to be a nice wide spread. And it's compact. It almost weighs hardly anything. I love this thing. Let me set this off to the side here just a little bit. Push into the bag. As I told you before, it comes with the inner and outer diffuser, which is great. I love that. Again, when I'm in windy conditions, I always put the outer diffuser on. And again, the reason why I do that is because it leaves less air entrapment inside the thing like an umbrella, therefore causing your stand to blow over. I'm not saying it's not going to stop your stand from blowing over, but it prevents a lot of inside wind drag. I think Edward changed the size of these, but I'm just going to say it's a 2x2x2 grid. I think it's a 2x5 or 2.5 by 2.5. Don't quote me on that, but I think he did change the grid size, but these are strong, durable grids. These are not these Chinese knockoff grids that you get from like some other companies. I'm not going to mention any names, but they're made out of some kind of felty type of or not felty, but really flimsy material. This is actually a nice nylon material. It's very durable. It's very strong. I mean, it's a great grid. I'm not a grid user, but it's nice to have a grid. If you're looking to stop some spill on the background, or you really want to focus that light, it's nice that these things come with a free grid. And I'm going to say that one more time, a free grid. Not like some other brands where you have to pay $200 something odd dollars for just a grid to add onto a modifier you already paid $200 something odd dollars for. Now you're into that modifier for $400. For the price of $400, I can buy about 4 of these. So come on. Best for its value. I'm just telling you straight out. Again, a padded case, zipper top. No more catching on my light stands when I'm pulling it out of the thing. It's just awesome. I can't stress enough on how much I'm really digging this case. And again, all of CheetahStand's cases are clearly marked, so you're getting the proper one when you go out, you grab off a shelf, because again, when you're reaching up there on a shelf with about 110 different types of modifiers, it's nice to have which one it is you're pulling off, so you don't go out on location and grab and have the wrong one. No matter what, I'm going to still get a great shot no matter what modifier I pull off my shelf, but it's nice that I know which one I am pulling off the shelf, because I pulled off, in the earlier days, you know, I pulled off the Quick Beauty Dish, and I pulled off the white one when I wanted the silver one and stuff like that. It happens, but I can still produce a great shot no matter which one I pull off, because Edward stuff is just that great of stuff and I know my modifiers and I know how to use them. So that's another key of testing your modifiers, practicing with them. Get a mannequin head. Practice, 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 practice. How can I say that more than enough? Practice, practice, practice. Because again, that's what's going to make you better than the other people. A lot of people might not like the style I shoot. I like it. And the only person that really counts is me and my client. Again, this is the Quick SoupBowl 26. I'm really digging the new cases, and I'm digging the small compact modifiers that Edward's putting out, because before I was carrying the RB120. I love the RB120 on location. It's a rotted system and you have to put it together, but I love the light quality that comes out of it, and I just love it. And now to have something smaller that produces a great light is just amazing. Again, my name is Scott with Sean Photography, and thank you for watching.